Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to become a KuCoin merchant. First, you need to create an account on the KuCoin platform. After that, complete your basic identity verification. Next, head over to the P2P section on the platform and find the merchant application form. It is also important to link your email and phone number to your account for enhanced security and notifications. When filling out the application, provide all personal and business details accurately. You will need to submit necessary documents like proof of identity and address for review. A security deposit, often around 5,000 USD, is typically required to ensure sufficient funds and commitment. This deposit helps maintain a secure and reliable trading environment for all users. After submitting your application, the KuCoin team will review your details and documents. Completing advanced identity verification is crucial, as it can enable daily P2P trading limits of up to 500,000 USD. To ensure approval and continued merchant status, it is essential to maintain a solid transaction history and keep your dispute rate low. As a KuCoin merchant, you will enjoy several benefits, including zero fees on all P2P transactions. You will also receive a verified badge, which significantly boosts your credibility. Merchants gain the ability to freely post and manage advertisements, offering greater flexibility in buying and selling. Additionally, you get access to 24/7 exclusive customer support for quick assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.